Hi guys! So, it's another vlog and we just came back from going shopping. And today is Friday as well, so it's another start of the week. And we don't know yet what we're gonna do, but yeah, we're vlogging anyways. So, oh yeah, I could do a haul of all the stuff that we bought a while ago. But for now, we're gonna do this.
So once you fill it up, so you fill it in there, right?
Yeah.
And then how do you... Oh, I guess, do you zip this, both this and this? You know what I mean? Like, so, because I just want to make sure that before I do anything that we can...
Oh yeah. Why is that like that?
Oh, you just do that, I think.
Where's the, I know, I need to press.
Oh, I think you just do that.
Oh, okay.
And
So
then
you close both of them.
you close both.
Okay.
Yeah, so that goes like that, and then...
Show, okay. Who's gonna shoot who?
How about I open up the bean bag and I start... But I just gotta be really careful.
We'll do it together.
In fact, what's
How
probably...
do you open it now?
What you do is you just grab both other sides and just do this.
See?
Oh no, don't tell me. I should have just left. Oh my gosh, you gotta be joking.
So we bought this bean bag from the warehouse and we're gonna assemble it, okay? You were doing it like that.
Put it on the floor, put it on the floor. I'm gonna pick them all up. This is hilarious.
What happened?
This is funny. It's funny. Look at all the beads. This is so funny. This is hilarious.
You were like doing it so hard up now. Oh wow.
It was like, this is awesome.
It is, but you were not.
Yeah, but you weren't saying anything.
It's okay.
You weren't saying anything, babe, come on.
This is about to happen, you guys.
Yeah, but it's fun. It's so fun.
Another shadow in the dark. I can't take another headache. Right there where we left off, right there in the middle. Let's sing it back, let's sing it Let's sing it.
Thank you. More.
Do we need more, you reckon?
Yeah. We need another bag.
Is it good? Is it good though? Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah. And you're playing your game
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
But
That's good though, eh?
Okay, you can do this stuff now. Can you wash the dishes? Can you do the washing? Kiss me. Okay, your turn. Wait, no!
No! You're gonna try to get the bean back now.
I can get up! Okay, your turn.
Whoa! Oh, it's good though. Oh, this is awesome.
Okay, you can play your game now.
Oh, thank you so much. Looking forward to this
Yay! We're done! I don't know how long that took though.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up!
Hi guys! So today is Saturday. We are out and about and it's already 1 o'clock or no, 1:12 in the afternoon, and my husband right here is so happy to play his game for 3 straight hours.
Gosh, that's nothing compared to some people, babe.
Yeah, I don't mind. I didn't stop you anyways. I just did my thing. I just waited till you can't take it anymore. And he gave up finally. And at least I didn't stop you all.
Yes,
I
mate.
just let you have your own time.
But I can tell there was hints and
No, of course not. I was just in the room. Hello, where's the
Yes,
hints in that?
Walk in. You hear that smile, but then right behind that smile there was Kmart.
Okay, yeah. That's the...
Yeah,
Grabe
see,
yung
see.
pala nung face ko. No, I wasn't. Promise. I'm just letting you do your thing. Because now we're heading off to Kmart. It's been like siguro 2 months na, no, that we haven't been to Kmart. And that's a very big deal for me. Not to be able to go to Kmart. Oh, that's how they do their lawns. So yeah, we're heading off to Kmart and we're gonna do the groceries as well. And then yeah, it's just pretty chill. Walang ganap today. But tomorrow we are gonna go to church and we are gonna do a walk. I went up a New Hill walk. So yeah, there you go. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Jokes lang. Because they don't have it. I hope they have it. So we wanted to buy this juicer. They have everything there, but not the juicer.
Not the juicer.
Not the juicer. There you go. We're done with Kmart and we're gonna go to Westfield now. And that wasn't even too long, babe. That was just an hour. I said I'm gonna last there for 2 hours.
Thanks, babe. Thank you.
But here's the thing, we weren't able to get the juicer that we wanted to buy. The reason why we wanted to go to Kmart is to get the juicer. So we ended up buying floor lamps that we have been looking for forever. So it's always like that, no? If you don't look for it, it's gonna be there, and if you look for it, it's not there. So no juicer for today, but we have the lamps.
You certainly do.
So we're gonna go. And the reason why we're going to Westfield is because we need to get the tank. Tank is like
Healthy juice.
yeah, healthy juice drink, something. And I really wanted that juice for so long. It's carrot juice, beetroot, and the ginger, and a whole lot of good stuff. So we are going to Queensgate. And that's where we're gonna do our grocery anyways. Look at that traffic. All of the people going to Kmart. We are going home now. We already did the grocery. We weren't able to vlog because there's just a lot of people. I don't know where did these people come from, eh, babe?
No idea.
Oh, look at that. That's the new sign of the Queensgate Shopping Center.
Oh, look at that,
And
eh?
you've got H&M right there.
H&M. They put H&M up.
Yep.
So what I got here, guys, is toast, and I got this cool margarine. It's called garlic margarine. Oh, just so you can see. It's really lovely and healthy for you, and I really advise, if you really like garlic and you want a bit of an extra bit of taste, bit of flavour that you're going to add to your toast, easily go for garlic margarine. I especially like to have it with some Vegemite on top, or you can just have it plain. And it's such a lovely, wonderful flavour. Great with soups and salads and all sorts. So just like an ordinary margarine, but just with garlic flavour in them. And it's lovely to have. And if you look at the contents, it's actually lower in sugar than normal margarine. So only 1 gram of sugar.
But I thought margarine's not good for you.
Normal margarine, garlic margarine's okay because it's...
And that's the Vegemite. Is it
It's
Vegemite?
Vegemite. Yep, Vegemite. It's yum.
Yeah, you're already, what do you call that?
Already what?
What do you call that when you lunok your laway? When you do this.
Oh, like you can't resist the food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know the English of that.
Resist. Yeah. Lord, we give thanks for this wonderful food. We give thanks for this day. We give thanks for seeing my family, and thank you for providing this opportunity to do that, and for vehicles to get over there. In Christ's name, amen.
Amen.
Just a short, sharp prayer, everyone.
Let's sing it back.
And welcome back again, guys. Hope you guys are having such a great day, and we're now going to go through and do a Kmart haul. So I've been on a bit of a long absence with these hauls, so I thought that why not we both do it and see how this goes. So there'll be lots of fun, and hopefully I'm going to be just as exciting as my lovely partner in crime here. So what we'll do is we're just going to go through these things, and then we're just going to show them here. And first thing that we got is some plates, and these ones here. So it's quite nice. They're quite basic design, but they're really nice, like quality plates as well. And they were about $2 New Zealand per plate, and we got a whole set, so 6 of those. We've been looking. I'll just grab this lamp. Oh my gosh, these are so awkward. So we've been looking for these lamps for months. Like, we've been looking for these, we've been trying, and every time we go into Kmart they are either out of stock,
or we had always say, oh, you're going to get delivered, but then the Kmart delivery times are Mondays to Fridays. Now, of course, we want to do it on the weekends, and they don't do deliveries on the weekends, so we've always been putting it off.
But today, of all times, we saw these, and we're like, oh my gosh, this is actually incredible. We got these lamps after months and months and months.
And we didn't really wait for them, I guess. Like, we weren't really thinking about that all the time, but it just happened to be there. We're like, we've been wanting to get those, so this is really good. And
These were about maybe $40, weren't they?
No, they're $27.
$27 per,
Yeah.
and this is a floor lamp,
Yeah.
you know, and that's quite a good lamp. We got a couple of other things. I'll get you to these ones.
I thought you could do it. So I got a beauty blender, or a sponge, a makeup sponge. I bought this simple facial wash gel.
And what we got as well is a, excuse me, you can cut that out by the way, is a bath bomb basically.
So I bought this bath bomb as well. Then we have other like trinkets as well. Because that's what happens if you go to Kmart, you don't have anything in mind to buy, but then when you saw it, you'll buy it. You'll end up buying it.
So what we got as well, we got some iPhone cases. Sorry, other way around.
This is my one, this is Sam's one.
Yeah, and they were pretty cheap. I don't know how much they were, but
$7?
$7 each, which is pretty good.
So we have like different types. This one is a This one is a bubble mask. So I'm gonna try that one with Sam. And this one is a dual step deep absorbing mask. So this one is a dual step one, and we're gonna try that one as well. The other way. There you go. That's the dual blah blah blah.
This is like a Christmas decoration, so it's like 24 LED white lights.
So this is for our little Christmas tree.
Christmas cards.
Yeah, Christmas gift cards. It's just another one of those lights.
I got some envelopes.
These are cards and envelopes that are plain ones, because I'm gonna make our own Christmas cards to give away with to family and friends.
And someone's got her eye mask.
An eye mask, which is cute.
And this lovely, gorgeous top we got as well. And how much was this?
$7.
$7.
I like the color.
Nice
Very
colour.
nice.
Very
I
nice.
don't know if it's a shirt or a top, but yeah. So that's all we've got from our Kmart haul, is it? Yeah.
Yep,
That's all.
That's about it. And hope you enjoyed.
The next thing is for us to do this and for us to put up this lamps.
Okay.
Let's do it
Okay. I can do that.
before I set you free.
Set me free. Oh, I want to be free.
You cannot be free.
What?